Hello everyone. Welcome to the Blue Cube channel. In this video, you will learn how to work with workspaces and panels in Illustrator software, from beginner to advanced level. To watch future tutorials, please subscribe to and like my channel. If you remember, I told you in the previous lesson that when you enter the Illustrator software for the first time and select or create a preset, then you can start drawing on the artboard. But we can change the working environment of the software based on our needs. To change the workspace, I go to the window menu and keep the mouse on the workspace. Now we can change the workspace by selecting any of these options. Another way to change the workspace is to click on this icon so that different workspace options appear. For example, if I want to do web design, I can choose the web option. In this way, the workspace changes and the features and tools related to web design appear, which can help us more in web design. Now we can select other modes such as photography, which causes the panels to change again. Now, if I click on any of the panels, there are different tools and settings that we will cover in future lessons. I would choose Workspace Essentials again. Now we make changes in the panels. In the Space menu, I click on the Brushes panel, whose shortcut button is F5. In this way, the Brushes panel is opened, which also has three parts: brushes, symbols and swatches, which are all three sections in one panel. To move the panels, hold the left click here and move with the mouse. I can also place it in different parts. When I see the blue color, I release the left click. Now you can see that I can open and close the panels very easily by clicking on any option. Also, the panels that are located here, I can hold the left click on the panels and detach them and put them again in another place. The type of arrangement of panels depends on your taste and project. If I click on these arrows, the panels will be closed. We can do this to close all the panels so that we have more space to work. They open the panels again. I right-click on this panel and click the Close option to hide the panel. Now I can call the layers again from the Window panel menu. We can also select the Close Tab Group option to close the tab completely. I will repeat the same thing here to close this tab. We can open the panels again from the Window menu. Now, if I want to return the arrangement of the panels to the initial state, I click on this option and click on the Reset option. In this way, the layout of the panels will return to the default state. Now we can create a custom workspace instead of choosing a ready-made workspace. For this purpose, I open several panels that I use the most from the Window menu. Then I place them in the place of my choice. Now I want to choose and save a name for this workspace so that I can easily call my workspace whenever I need it. To do this, after placing the panels in the right place, first click on this icon and then click on the New Workspace option. I choose a name for this workspace and click OK. Now, if I go back to the Workspaces section, we can see that the new workspace has been saved. So, any other workspace I choose, I can return to my workspace very quickly. To delete a workspace, you must first select a different workspace, then I will select the Manage Workspace option. In this tab, we can create a new workspace or we can select and delete the saved workspace. Again, if I go back to the Workspace tab, we will see that the workspace we created has been deleted. Also, if I right-click in this empty space and select the User Interface option, this panel will open. In this panel, we can change the color of the work environment. For example, I chose a darker or white color. I chose the previous color. Again, here we can make the background color of the artboard white. We can change all these settings for easier use of the software. It is also possible to change the size of tools in the preview section. After making the changes, click on the OK button to apply the changes. I hit the Cancel button. Now I will tell you a few things about the tools. In the previous lesson, we said that if you hold the left mouse click on any tool or just right-click once, you will see more tools. If you click on this icon, those tools will be released and we can place it in the desired location. These tools are still in the same place as before. The release of tools helps us to access the desired tools sooner. We can repeat this for all tools. If we click on this option, we will see the tools vertically. I click on the cross option to close the tools. By clicking on this symbol, the tools will appear in 2 rows. Also, by going to the window menu and then the toolbars option, select the advanced option to access all the advanced tools of the software. In this tutorial, I tried to quickly introduce you to different workspaces and setting panels. Well friends, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Practice these tutorials to master Illustrator software. Please like the video and subscribe to watch more tutorials. See you next time.